Hello, my name's Amy Hodge. I am the director of Clytemnestra. We are into the rehearsal room, which is very exciting. You don't need to know the original to see this play. It's actually quite a clean and clear story. It's quite simply about a woman called Clytemnestra whose husband is a soldier and he is at war, and he allows their daughter to be killed so that he can win that war. That's the immediate circumstance of the play, and then when the action starts, it's about how Clytemnestra deals with that. Does she seek revenge against her husband for the death of their daughter?
Over her bruised and bitten chest.
It's about what happens when you lose a child and how do you feel about that, and what is the distinction between what you do for the political and what you do for the personal.
My name's Gwyneth Lewis. I'm the writer of Clytemnestra.
So many years of travelling, fighting. I've had no time to think.
I've written this in very direct language. It's not flowery, it's not boring, it's not poetic. It's language at its most lethal. And I think people will be surprised how direct it can be.